I'm talking about an entirely new financial system that the wealthiest individuals in America are tapping into right now. That industry being decentralized finance, or DeFi. Your portfolio could be left with losses you can't recover from. So how do you mitigate the risk? We're talking about platforms with real utility, those that are solving real-world problems and building sustainable ecosystems that can thrive over the long haul. Take Uniswap, for example. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange platform that operates on the Ethereum blockchain, allowing users to trade cryptocurrencies directly from their wallets without the need of intermediaries. With its automated liquidity pools, anyone can provide liquidity and earn fees. Uniswap is trusted for its simplicity and security, with a user base spanning millions globally. Another great platform is Balancer, a decentralized finance platform that allows for custom liquidity pools. It lets users create pools with different asset ratios, offering more flexibility compared to traditional liquidity pools. This enables investors to minimize risk while optimizing returns. Both Uniswap and Balancer have proven their resilience through market fluctuations, with multiple security audits ensuring their long-term reliability for investors. So in my books, they're trustworthy. If you're looking to get into yield farming, here's some steps you need to take. Step 1. Choose a reliable platform. Start by researching decentralized platform with a strong reputation and proven security. Avoid new, untested projects that might seem flashy but lack real utility. I've already gone through a couple of them in this video. Step 2. Choose your pool and tokens carefully. Stick with liquidity pools that use stablecoins or well-established cryptocurrencies like ETH or USDC to lower the risks associated with high volatility. Avoid high-risk or hot tokens that can lose value quickly. Stability is the key to minimizing risk in yield farming. Step 3. Deposit funds. Once you've chosen a pool, deposit an equal amount of each asset needed for that pool. Example, ETH and USDC for an ETH and USDC pool on Uniswap. Your crypto will be locked in the pool, allowing others to trade against it while you earn fees and potentially additional tokens as rewards. Step 4. Monitor your investments regularly. Check your liquidity pool's performance and the platform's health. This helps you catch any early signs of instability or issues with the market. For added security, withdraw funds if market conditions look unfavorable or if the platform shows signs of potential collapse. Step 5. Harvest rewards. Your rewards from yield farming are usually accrued over time and can be withdrawn periodically. Be mindful of transaction fees when claiming rewards, as these fees can impact your net earnings, especially on the Ethereum network. Step 6. Know when to exit. Yield farming is not a set and forget strategy. Watch the market and be ready to withdraw your funds if the risks start to outweigh the rewards. Platforms like Uniswap and Balancer make it easy to exit liquidity pools, so stay flexible and prioritize your security of your assets. Many members in our mastermind also get the guidance they need to avoid major pitfalls and take advantage of early opportunities in the yield farming space. So there you have it. That's yield farming. A powerful way to take control and earn returns in DeFi. The crazy thing? There are many strategies, just like this one, to generate consistent, passive returns while securing your nest egg in DeFi. So if you're looking for a more comprehensive approach to building wealth in this space without getting lost in all the details, I've got something that can help. We've put together a free, step-by-step beginner-friendly training that dives deep into strategies like yield farming, choosing the right platforms, and protecting your investments in ways that traditional banks just can't match. If you want a full picture on how to make DeFi work for you safely and strategically, just click the link at the top of the description. This training walks you through everything you need to know to start taking control of your finances today. The world of finance is shifting. Make sure that you're moving with it. Click the link at the top of the description of this video, and I'll see you on the other side. Take care.